Okay, good morning students. Let us start with the class. Previous class we have completed the formatting and I have told you that next class we will continue with the same topic. Some important points I will give you how to write good notice, right? So let us continue with the class. Some important points to write a good notice. कुछ important points को आपको ध्यान रखना है before writing a notice, right? So first of all, the notice should be exact. एग्जैक्ट नोटिस होनी चाहिए. कोई डेट का फ्लक्चुएशन नहीं, टाइम का फ्लक्चुएशन नहीं, ना लोकेशन का फ्लक्चुएशन, किसी चीज़ की फ्लक्चुएशन नहीं. व्हेन एग्जैक्टली इट इज़ डिसाइडेड दिस हैज़ टू बी डन, ये होना ही है, तभी उसे आप नोटिस में क्लियर अप करेंगे एंड नोटिस में आप पब्लिश करेंगे, नोटिस में आप सर्कुलेट करेंगे. क्लियर? So that news should be exact, simultaneously precise, very short and simple language में आपको उस notice को लिखनी है, so that each and everybody can understand what the notice means to say. Notice हमें क्या कहना चाह रहा है, so as to reach, वहाँ तक वो पहुँच पाए वो notice, the understanding, कि सभी लोग उसे understand कर पाए. The understanding of all means what? All the persons, all the students, all the teachers, all the staff members of institution, सभी लोग उस नोटिस को अंडरस्टैंड कर पाए, समझ पाए. क्लियर? इट शुड कंसिस्ट ऑफ following steps. It should consist of following steps. Now what are the steps to be followed before writing a notice? These points are clear, students. Let us move to the steps. Step 1. Write the place and date of issuing the notice. Write the place, date of issuing the notice. This is the first point. The first step you have to follow. The second step, try to make the object as clear as possible. Try to make the object as clear as possible. Now let us move to the third point. Specify the date, time, place, instruction very precisely. Clear? This is the third point. Coming to the fourth point. At the end of the notice, put the signature along with designation. Clear? Now coming to the fifth point. pay due attention to the format and style of drafting drafting a proper notice, right? Drafting a proper notice. Clear? So these are the points, students. Now let me explain these points one by one so that you can write your notice in a proper way. Clear? These are the points, some important points to write a good notice. Clear? So notice should be exact. मैंने आपको कहा exact information होनी चाहिए तभी आप notice put up करें. Very precise, very short, simple रहना चाहिए. Wordings उसकी simple होनी चाहिए. Clear? So as to reach आप वहाँ तक पहुँच पाए to the understanding point, to the understanding of all. सभी लोग उस notice को understand कर पाए. Clear? So it should consist of following steps. कुछ following steps है जिसे follow up करने हैं before writing a notice. Clear? Suppose for example, write the place. The first point is write the place, the date. Next class we'll continue, students. Thank you.